Bees are remarkable creatures essential to life on Earth. Without bees, our world would lack vibrant wildflowers and the sweet taste of honey. Bees are vital pollinators, crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems and ensuring plant reproduction. As they flit from flower to flower, bees transfer pollen, enabling plants to produce fruits, vegetables, and seeds. This pollination process is essential for countless species, including humans, that depend on these plants for food. Without bees, our diets would be severely limited, and many ecosystems would face collapse. Protecting bees is crucial for global food security and humanity's well-being. By understanding the importance of bees, we can all do our part to protect these vital pollinators. When we think of bees, we often picture the iconic honeybee. However, there are over 20,000 known species of bees worldwide, each with unique characteristics. While honeybees are social insects, the majority of bee species are solitary. These solitary bees build individual nests in the ground, wood, or other cavities. Some bees are specialized pollinators, like the squash bee, which is highly efficient at pollinating squash plants. Other bees are generalists, visiting a wide variety of flowers and maintaining plant diversity. Understanding bee diversity is crucial for effective conservation efforts. By protecting all bee species' habitats and food sources, we can ensure ecosystem health and our food supply's future. The honeybee colony is a marvel of social organization. Thousands of bees work together in a highly coordinated society, each with a specific role. At the heart of this community is the queen bee, the only female capable of laying eggs. She can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day, ensuring a constant supply of new workers. The majority of bees in the hive are female worker bees, responsible for all tasks necessary for the colony's survival. Worker bees collect nectar and pollen, build and maintain the hive, care for the young, and defend the colony. Male bees, known as drones, have a simpler role to mate with the queen. Drones do not work and are entirely dependent on worker bees for food and care. Bees have developed a remarkable method of communication known as the Waggle Dance. This dance, performed by worker bees, conveys crucial information about food sources. When a worker bee discovers a rich source of nectar or pollen, she returns to the hive and performs the Waggle Dance. The dance consists of waggles and turns, with the bee vibrating her body and producing audible buzzes. The direction and duration of the dance convey specific information about the food source's location. The angle of the dance relative to the sun indicates the direction, while the duration corresponds to the distance. By observing the Waggle Dance, other worker bees can quickly locate the food source. This efficient communication allows bees to exploit resources effectively and ensure the colony's survival. The life cycle of a bee is a fascinating process of metamorphosis. It begins with the queen bee laying an egg in a honeycomb cell. After a few days, the egg hatches into a larva, which is fed a rich diet of royal jelly by worker bees. As the larva grows, it molts several times, shedding its skin. After about a week, the larva spins a cocoon and enters the pupal stage. Inside the cocoon, the bee undergoes a remarkable transformation, developing wings, legs, and other adult features. Finally, the adult bee emerges from the cocoon, ready to begin its role in the colony. The bee life cycle showcases the complex and interconnected processes that govern life on Earth. Bees are facing a multitude of threats, and their populations are declining at alarming rates. The loss of bees would have devastating consequences for ecosystems and agriculture worldwide. One major threat to bees is habitat loss due to urban expansion and agricultural conversion. Pesticides used in agriculture can kill bees directly or weaken their immune systems. Climate change also poses challenges, disrupting bee foraging behavior and affecting flowering plants availability. The combined effects of these threats are taking a toll on bee populations. It is crucial that we understand these threats and take action to protect these vital pollinators. Protecting bees is essential for the health of our ecosystems and the future of our food supply. Protecting bees is not just the responsibility of scientists and policymakers. We can all play a role. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can make a big difference for bees and the ecosystems they support. One simple way to help bees is to plant bee-friendly flowers in our gardens and yards. Avoid using pesticides in our gardens, as these chemicals can harm bees. Support local beekeepers by purchasing locally produced honey and beeswax products. Educate ourselves and others about the importance of bees and the threats they face. By raising awareness, we can encourage others to take action and become part of the solution. Protecting bees is about preserving the health of our planet and the future of our food supply. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Savage and Serene, and join the movement to help protect the planet's ecosystems.